Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Monday, the 9th of June. It is your daily recap here, and it's been an interesting, pretty slow day in the market, but gave trades. And let's talk about what's going on. We opened flat. The initial move was down. We came back up and we rallied up above 600, but now we're back, just back on top of it here with 15 minutes to go. And you can look at the top of the Bollinger Band. We went right into the top of it. It's pinching in. Overall, the markets feel fine. We're trying to come out of this. We need a catalyst. United States and China are meeting today in London. They're going to extend the talks into tomorrow. Nothing coming out of it concrete, but looking okay. That's what the market wants. The market's hoping for a big win here to come in. That would be great. Overall, volume today on the S&P 500 itself is low, and the general market's volume is average and doing fine. It's kind of been a day of mixed trades. The Qs were strong early and came off. The SPY took off then. The IWM pushed again. The financials, Energy today up a little bit with oil, but nothing big. Bitcoin, however, is breaking to the upside. But we're not getting that move in the names. Look at coin up a little bit. MSTR having a nice little move into that gap, but not flying. CleanSpark, not much going on there. Circle, last week's IPO, options available today, opened and pushed, but couldn't hold and coming back down. CoreWeave also having a nice little day here as it's pushing itself back up. I had a nice trade on CoreWeave today. What else is going on? The semis today led early, nice move there up to that 260 area. ARM, nice strong day there, trying to break out. Qualcomm on their buy, trying to break out. AMD's been strong today. I'm going to get called away next Friday on that. I'm going to guess. Looked like the 200 day coming in. I'm long NVIDIA July calls. Not the best candle, but the chart still looks good. You notice how many names ran into the top of the Bollinger Bands today? They're pinching in and then pulled. Worth noting. Microsoft put in a new all-time high here today. Everybody's posting. What are you guys posting here? Yeah, okay. New all-time high continues to be strong. Amazon breaking out, beautiful move there. We'll like that up to that 220, then we'll see. Google also trying to break out. Um, what else? PDD kissed the gap before pulling back. Hood, given everything holding in well here, went down, back up. Highs of the day here going to the close above the 8 day feels fine. Apple, let's talk. This event was I don't want to use the word disaster, but it virtually was. They they're in trouble in terms of what they said today. They don't have an AI story. They are becoming less and less relevant. There's some cool features and stuff, but nothing that's going to make people want to buy their Ecoverse. And their costs are going to be going up, which means phone costs and computer costs are going to go up, and that's going to make it people not want to upgrade as often. There was nothing in the developer conference that said, "Ooh, this is great." Apple's sitting here back at the bottom of the wedge. We'll see what it does. I don't think you're going to see a lot of good stuff coming out on that. Palantir had a nice day today, bounced back up, almost back to the all-time high. And Tesla. Tesla was funky today. It wasn't easy. But overall, lows were put in the first 5 minutes despite two downgrades. Up it goes. Musk and Trump feud looks like it might be over. Trump just came out and said some nice things about Musk. First thing he says is, what do you call it? The Starlink is not going anywhere. They like the service. He said, I wish Musk very well, and I would imagine he wants to talk to me. All you need now, Musk, is to make a nice little couple positive posts on Trump, and we can put this to bed. Tesla rallying all the way up to 310 now to the 100 day, above the 50 day, above the 200 day. Here's your 100 day. Can we rally tomorrow? Maybe we can. Feeling better. Cyber Taxi starts in Austin on Thursday. So this is going to alleviate fears that anything else is going to come off of that. What am I missing? I forgot Boeing. Can't forget Boeing. Boeing here, nice move here. New highs of the day breaking out. Overall, this market remains strong. It remains bullish. We'll see what we get out of China. We're hopefully some good news there, and we'll go from there. I'll catch you guys live in the AM. Let's have a great rest of the week.